Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from Single Barrel Soaps, and today I'm doing something a little different. So my dad sent me a surprise box, and he's being very secretive about this. It's all wrapped up, so I couldn't peek. I actually opened it last night, and my husband stood next to me making sure I didn't look at anything. And we also have my dad joining us by FaceTime, so he can see my reaction too. Yeah, Dad, he stood next to me the whole time to make sure. I was like, they double wrapped it? It's okay. So I'm gonna see what this is. Ooh, I like bubble wrap. All right, so I'm just gonna take everything out and put it on the table.
Yep.
All right, I'll take it out. Oh, and we labeled everything. Okay, we have numbers. Let's go for the first one. I see a 1.
Yep.
Is that correct?
Yep. I can't see it, but go for it.
All right. Oh, did you wrap this or did Mom?
I did.
All right. I'm excited. I have literally no idea what these are either. They've been working on that. Oh, look at these. Look at these. Let's see if the camera can pick it up. So these are thank you soaps in all the different fonts. Oh, I love them. Is that like a clover, Dad?
Yeah, shamrock.
A shamrock. I love that.
Or clover, yeah.
And I love the ones with the hearts.
Do you like the techno and the western?
I do. I do. Oh, these are awesome. I don't know which one's my favorite. These are amazing. These are awesome. Uh-oh, the family's coming up. Oh, I love those, Dad. And let's see, they're a good depth, so they should unmold pretty easily. Oh, that's exciting.
Yeah, the soaps will be a little bit bigger than normal.
Well, I can just pour them more shallow.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, this feels lumpy. This feels lumpy. I can't see his face, and it's kind of killing me. I should turn the camera around so I can see his face. All right, ready? Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. All right. So this is another thank you one, but we had talked about, so these are raised. So when I pour the soap, instead of worrying about stuff getting stuck, which I don't know if it will because these are pretty thick, this one will leave an indent almost like a stamp. Oh, I'm trying to cover it so you guys can see what these are. Oh, these are so cool. Oh, I love these, Dad.
Good.
These are awesome. These are very thin, too.
Well, think about it.
I'll turn him around.
Actually, every mold you have there, Lauren, the base of the mold is 1/8 of an inch thick. The base is 1/8 of an inch thick.
Oh,
The difference is the thickness of the design.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
Right.
Oh, I love these.
Good, good.
Thank you, Dad. So Dad apparently has been super busy. Oh, I feel more ridges. I can see his face now. He's just kind of rolling his eyes at me. He's like, okay, open the thing. Oh, look at these. Oh, I love this. Oh, and is this the narrow one? Or it's in between?
Narrow one.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I think they're in recess.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not. Recess would mean there's a hole in there. These are out.
Okay. The recess from the soap.
Thank you. I was like, these are not recessed. They're not.
Yeah.
They're not. I love it. I think this is my favorite, Dad.
Which one?
This one, the thank you. It looks very much like a postage, like an old school postage one.
Oh, yeah, yeah. That was,
This one.
yeah, well.
Let's see if it'll zoom.
Just for the record, that was particularly hard.
Of course it was.
Had to go in and tweak the font because it was so narrow at points. That was a tough one to do.
Well, is anyone surprised that was my favorite?
Yeah.
Because I'm not. All right,
Okay.
we have 4. Wait.
Wait, which one are you doing?
Number 4.
How many did I send you?
You sent me 5.
Okay. We're good.
How many did I send you? Oh, wow. Sorry, I really gotta get better at showing you guys this. All right, let's see if I can. There we go. Look at that. Roses.
No, Zuzu's petals.
Had you already done that?
I was all done.
Are you serious?
And then you called me and mentioned Zuzu's petals. Mom and I looked at each other and we were like, we can't believe the timing of that call.
Oh.
And that.
Okay, so I had gotten a request. There's a local high school that's doing a radio version of It's a Wonderful Life. And the woman floated me some ideas, either bells or Zuzu's petals. And I was like, I have no idea. So I called Dad to talk to him about it. And my mother acts like she doesn't know it because she hadn't seen the movie or really noticed it. Dad's like, we're going to look it up. So I guess completely playing me off. I, on the other hand, had no idea what that was because I've never watched It's a Wonderful Life. And he already knew it. That's just creepy. That is literally just creepy, Dad. That is amazing. So what colors are they?
It's a black and white film.
Oh. I actually meant like in real life, Dad, but thank you.
Black and white film. It's a phenomenal film.
I meant the actual
film that you should be watching in this pandemic.
Yeah.
But anyway, 2 things about that, Lordy.
Yeah.
One is the
That is
final
so funny.
car, the final run, took over 24 hours of machine time.
Oh my gosh, was that when your power kept going out?
Yes.
I'm trying to capture it on, there we go. Look at that. Oh, that just focused in really well.
So then, having looked at this an awful lot, here's my suggestion for making soap.
Yeah.
Is to take like 3 colors that'll like red, orange, and yellow.
Yeah, that'll blend.
Right. Pour stripes down.
Like this way or like this way? Doesn't matter.
And then hit it with white so the heavier color stays low and then the white blends in with it. So the edges of the petals will be darker, but it'll all blend.
Okay.
That one should give you some fun to play with.
I am very, what type of fragrance do you think?
I have no idea, but that one was, I saw that pattern, I bought it.
I love this.
And then it was like, I gotta make this. And then when the machine came back and told me the carving time, I went, oh my word.
This is amazing, and this actually fits into my small thing, but if it's a hit and I need more, you can just pour another mold.
I can always pour another.
So that's good. So we figured out, because we used to make the big sheets, and we figured out we can take 2 of those big sheets and put them in the mold, and it's quicker to carve, especially how that would have taken 48 hours then. Yeah.
Well, 48 hours of machine time, you have to shut the machine off. I think they say every 8. I shut it off about 12, and I never run it when I'm asleep.
Oh, good call.
You know, in case the machine decides it's going to want to burn up. Isn't that pretty?
It is so pretty. I'm going to open the last one, and then I'm going to check how, it's going to fit in the mold.
I'll tell me. Wait a minute. You think it's the wrong mold size?
No, I think it's the perfect mold size. I just want to show on camera how well it fits in.
Oh, okay.
Hi, little man. You can see. Huh?
Well, this one.
He did have a mini heart attack there. You what?
I hope you like this last one. It's a little,
What are you
not
doing?
sure it's your style.
Oh no. Oh no, what did he do? Oh, he looks like he's... Oh my gosh. Look what Grandpa made me. It's Krabby Stamps. Guess what's gonna get made today? Krabby Stamps.
The phone is broken.
No, my phone is not broken. Thank you, Dad. No, I just had to take the cover off for this. Oh my goodness.
Aren't they nice?
They are amazing.
What's the
And-
one, Mom?
And Lauren,
These are amazing. Hold on.
That one, Mom.
Lauren, to
Yeah.
go back to our previous conversation,
What's that one,
that
Mom?
is thicker because the design is so
It's
thick.
deeper. That makes a lot more sense.
But the solid backing piece is always 1/8.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I can actually kind of tell.
Yeah, you can tell.
Like right there. Dad, how long did all this take you?
It took me a while. I've been, and the power failures have not helped at all. In fact, hey, Lauren,
This
I'm
one's
here, I'm here.
Up here.
Okay. Yeah.
if you go pick up one of the thank you ones, the one that'll do the recess soap.
Okay. This one?
Okay, now look at it. I think I can't tell from here. Not the stamp one.
Not the stamp one. This one.
Yeah,
Look at the
that'll make a
maple
recess
cup.
soap, right?
Yes. So like a stamp image.
Right.
Yes.
So if you
Unicorn cat.
hold it up and down vertical,
Like this?
count down, it's 2 over and 3 down.
What's up? What's up?
So the middle one and like the direct, the bottom, this one.
No. So it's 2 over and 3 down now. So be more towards your right hand.
This one.
Look at the U on it. It should be a little rough at the bottom. One of them has a rough U at the bottom.
I'm not seeing it. What do you think? Look what Grandpa made me. He surprised me.
Wow.
This is like a techno one, baby.
Cool.
It's kitty corner, I think, to the tech. No, it's not. It's 2 and 2. It's go 2 down.
I see you. I see it. I see it. So this is what he's talking about. Let's see if I can get it on camera.
Okay. So
Yeah.
what happened there was when the power glitched, the computer kept on running, but the carver CNC stopped. So they got out of sync, and it created this hole. And I had to patch up the hole because I wasn't going to waste the
Can you
full
close that?
carving.
Yeah.
I had to patch it up, but it still came out a little rough. It shouldn't show up on your soap.
I think even if it does, there's enough space that I can kind of use my finger to fix
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Yep.
We've been invaded. These are amazing. Oh, I love them so much.
Whoa, roses.
So apparently they're Zuzu petals from a movie. Yeah. She goes, what? All right, let's see if it fits, Dad. I don't know. It's going to be a tight fit.
Is the thank you for thank you soaps?
Yes, for thank you cards. I actually wasn't tight fit in that angle because I put it down wrong.
That's
Oh,
so
yeah.
funny.
This fits perfectly. So, and I just push it down to get all like the little air out. And then it goes.
Also trim the soap.
Nope, no, I'm not trimming this. No. Oh, look, that's perfect.
Crabbies.
Yeah. You like them?
Uh-huh, crabbies.
Look.
Okay,
So-
I want some red orange crabs, and I want some green blue ones.
And oh, it's actually, if I wanted to use the dividers, it would fit. I'm not going to. But it lines up perfectly, Dad.
Yeah.
My head's getting in the camera.
Stamps, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I spent a lot of time laying that out.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to wrap up the video, but I'm going to keep talking to you, Dad.
Are you gonna wrap up the video?
I'm going to wrap the video, then I'm going to keep talking to you since we have all the background noise.
Yep.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I am... My room has been taken over. Hey, Jack, can you hold on for a sec? I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Huge, huge, huge thank you to my dad for making all these and surprising me with them. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you. Hi everyone, I am back and I am going to test out the Zuzu petal mold. So what I did, I'm just using melt and pour today, just because my dad wants to see how it turned out and I do too. So I just melted a mix of, I'm running low on melting pour, a mix of white and clear. And I'm just gonna put a little bit in a container, and I'm taking his advice and doing the colors he said, which happen to be kind of my favorite colors anyway. So I'm gonna start with yellow. Oh wow, this is not gonna, there we go. All right, and I'm using the Gel Soap Colors by Rustic Essentials. I'm just gonna use this, mix it in. I think I'm just gonna go this way. It's kind of going everywhere. That's okay. All right. Did not want to put that much in. That's what happens when I don't plan. Now I'm going to use the orange. Ooh, that was a lot. That is so pretty. All right, I'm going to grab my alcohol. All right, let's put this down. I'm just trying to make sure it gets everywhere, and I'm leaving space to put the red down. All right. Now we're doing melon red. I think that just matches a little better. It's so messy. All right. I'm excited. This is good. All right, this is a nice bright color, and then I haven't gotten any over here. And then I'm gonna break through a little here. And I think with these, maybe I might use my dividers. Maybe. No, I'm not gonna use my dividers, that's okay. Okay, and now I have white left. And I am on purpose trying to break through everything. All right, so that was quick and easy. I have no idea how this will turn out. Oh, I kind of do want to put my dividers in. I don't know how they would work with melt and pour. All right, I'm not gonna do the dividers, but I will leave this here. That might be fun. I will leave this here to set probably for maybe 2 or 3 hours. I'm gonna try to give it time to set because there's so many fine details on this. And then I'll be back. Wow. Oh, this unmolds so nicely. Let's see. Oh, this is stunning. Oh, I love it so much. All right, I'm gonna put the camera upright so you guys can see it a little better. I am so incredibly impressed with this. Obviously the colors aren't perfect, all that, but look how well it unmolded. It is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show my dad this. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the unmolding. And what do you think? Let me know down below. Have a great day.